What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to fix the unexpected crashing error on Roblox. So this one is pretty easy, so let's get it started. First of all, go to your search bar and search for appwiz.cpl and click enter, and it will redirect you to this page, program and features. And after that, just find Roblox, and you will need to uninstall your Roblox basically. And after you uninstall it, you can also do it on just exit this one. You can also do it by searching Roblox player on the search bar, and it will also show you an install option. Or what you can do is to type percent local app data percent and just click enter, and it will open your local app folder where you can see your Roblox folder, and you will need to just delete it, and that's it. That's how you delete Roblox. And after that, after deleting your Roblox, you can just reinstall it again. And after installing the Roblox, if you want to open it again, make sure that you run it as a administrator. Just right click it and click run as administrator, and just wait until it's finished downloading and opening. As you can see, it start installing. Then after that, it will open your Roblox page, and as you can see, it's working fine, and you can now play your Roblox game without getting kicked because of an error or crashing error. And that's it. That's how you do it. Also, that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.